In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens. First, log in to your Wix account and open the site you want to work on. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the section called Setup on the left-hand side. If you're not already there, just click it. Then, in the top right corner, click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor where you'll be doing all your design work. Instead of placing text, images, and buttons randomly on the blank canvas, you'll want to use full-width strips. Strips are the building blocks that help your site adapt to different screen sizes. On the left panel of the editor, click the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. A panel will open. From here, select Strip and choose a design that matches the style you're going for. Click on it and it will be added to your page. You can drag and drop the strip to reposition it wherever you like on the page. To make sure that strip spans the entire width of any screen, select the strip and look for the stretch icon, which looks like a double-headed arrow pointing left and right. Click Stretch and the strip will automatically expand to the edges of the browser, no matter how wide the monitor is. Next, organize your content by adding columns inside the strip. Columns help keep items aligned and looking clean on different monitors. With the strip selected, click the layout icon. A small pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, click Add Column, and your strip will be split into 2 columns. If you want more columns, right-click inside a column and select Add Column again. As you add text, images, and buttons, make sure all vital content stays within the 2 vertical grid lines in the center of the editor. These lines act as a safe zone. Headlines, important paragraphs, and call to action buttons should all sit inside this area so they're fully visible on both small laptops and very large screens. Anything placed outside these lines might get cropped or only appear on extremely wide monitors. Before you publish, always double-check your layout. At the top of the Wix editor, click the desktop and mobile icons to switch between views. Make any adjustments you need in each view so everything looks clean and readable. And that's it. Now your Wix website will automatically adjust and look great on all screen sizes.